The 2WD Robotics Chassis is an educational learning kit for students, hobbyists, developers, learners, artists, and teenagers to get hands-on experience with robotics and can extend electronic systems like Raspberry Pi and Arduino. It includes motors, a chassis, wheels, a sensor, and a battery holder. The kit is easy to disassemble. The smart robot chassis is made with laser-cut acrylic, and chassis have two dual-shaft motors either side. This two-wheel robot car has placeholders for different sensors, servos, and modules. And it comes with a user manual and assembly video. The kit can be used to build a robot for distance sensing, obstacle avoidance, line following, flame detector, speed testing, wireless remote-controlled car, and any other creative works. This kit includes everything you need to get started with robotics, using an Arduino and a lot of things that will take you from a beginner to an enthusiast.